Now we know everything about logistic regression classifiers, the representation, what the impact of parameters are, how they can be used for classification, they can be used for multi-class classification. That's the foundation we need to talk about linear classifiers and to do the rest of this classification course. In this module, we're going to dig in and really figure out how to learn the parameters for the logistic regression classifier. But let's start with a quick review just to get us in the same mindset. Now remember, we had this product reviews or restaurant reviews, and we wanted to figure out, for example, that the sushi and everything else were awesome as input has a high probability of being a positive review, while the sushi was good, the service was okay, has a probability of only 0.55 of being a positive review. In other words, we want to learn a classifier of the foreign probability of y given x, where y is the output label, positive or negative review, and x is the input sentence, the actual review. So we talked about this task, and we discussed linear classifiers where we're going to associate a weight or a coefficient with every input feature. In our case, would be words like good, great, awesome, and so on. And positive words might have positive coefficients, negative words may have negative coefficients. So this is our model, and we define a score function, which is the weighted combination of the coefficients with whatever words appear in a particular input sentence. And that score can vary from -infinity to +infinity, so we squeezed it into the line 0, 1 to be able to predict the probability that a review is positive given the text of the review. And in logistic regression model, that probability is defined by 1 over 1 plus e to the minus w transpose h. So we explored this quite a bit in the last module. Just want to kind of warm us up and get us into how do we learn this particular coefficients w hat from data.